Hi, Sergio here, the founder of OPAB, Outsourced from Accountants and Bookkeepers. So, I have a good news to bring to you. Okay, this was published last May 7, 2025. So, the UAE Federal Tax Authority has announced a waiver of the 10,000 administrative penalty for late corporate tax registration. So this initiative is to support businesses complying with the new corporate tax law. And to benefit from this waiver, businesses should meet specific conditions and follow a defined process. Now, the question is, who is eligible? Okay, who is eligible for this waiver? So, those that miss the corporate tax registration deadline and have been fined already, meaning they are appearing in your portal that you have the 10,000 dirhams penalty. Second, have not registered yet. Okay, that means you are required to register, but you did not register. Have paid the penalty, meaning you paid already the penalty, but you meet the waiver conditions. Okay, now the second question is how to apply for this 10,000 penalty waiver. First, okay, if you haven't registered, then you need to register for corporate tax via Emirate Tax. Access the portal and then complete the corporate tax registration. Okay, for easy process, you can ask your accountant or you can ask your outsourced accountant here in OPAB. Now, after you complete the corporate tax registration process, you need to submit the corporate tax return or the annual declaration. Okay? Once your corporate tax registration, they will mention the calendar period of which you are going to file for which period. So then, once you know the period, you prepare all the necessary documentations, financial documentations, and submit and file in the portal. Again, this is within the 7 months period from the end of your first tax period. For example, your first tax period on the corporate tax registration shows that it ends December 31, 2024. So that means within the 7 months period, you need to submit until July 31, 2025 only. After July 31, 2025, you will not be able to waive the penalty. Again, it's clearly within the 7 months period. So you can waive the penalty. Then lastly, you need to monitor your tax account. If the penalty was not paid, it will be waived upon meeting the conditions. And if the penalty was paid, then the amount will be credited to your tax account as a refund. Okay? Again, let me repeat. If the penalty was not paid, it will be waived upon meeting the required conditions. If you paid already the penalty, then the amount will be credited to your tax account. It will appear on your Emerald Tax portal. Now, what are the required documents? The FTA has not specified any additional documents for the waiver. But of course, your tax registrations and filing should always be accurate and complete. And all relevant information is up to date in the Emirate Tax Federal System. Okay? Now, how many days or what will be the processing time? The FTA may take up to 110 business days to process the waiver request. Again, I'll repeat, within that 110 business days, you will be able to receive a response from them. Okay? So, what are you waiting for? Apply for the waive penalty, okay, for your corporate tax registration. And then lastly, I just want to give you an important notes. Again, this waiver is part of the FTA's effort to encourage compliance and support businesses. Second, ensure timely registration and filing to avoid future penalties. Again, for detailed information, you can go to FTA's official announcement about the Federal Tax Authority waiver of penalties. Thank you so much, Sergio, your founder of OPAP.